Hi, I'm Patrick Disilva.
As a Training and Competency Manager at Wellube, my role involves overseeing the training and development of employees in order to ensure that they have the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their job functions effectively. The Competency Development Program at Wellube has been instrumental in helping our employees to grow into a multi-skilled person and succeed in their roles. We have seen improvements in employee productivity, job satisfaction, and overall performance. The program has also contributed to an increase in safety awareness and reduction of errors at the workplace. Our training and competency model is tailored to the needs of each employee. We use a competency matrix to evaluate the employee, to identify the skills and knowledge required for each job role, assess their current competency levels, and develop individualized training plans. At Wellube, we proactively provide ongoing training and development opportunities such as classroom training, on-the-job training, and mentoring.